Social Boost Review, Details, Pricing and Features. What is Social Boost? Social Boost is an Instagram marketing agency that offers customized solutions to their customers to help them organically grow their Instagram accounts and increase engagement with their content. Social Boost offers personal professional account management for organic Instagram growth without the use of bots or automation, and promises safe and secure solutions for their customers. Social Boost services and features. Follow-unfollow. Social Boost helps you accurately pinpoint your target audience and increase your follower count by making dynamic interactions and engagements with genuine account profiles. The personal account manager assigned to will help you build your follower count significantly and steadily, without going against Instagram's terms of service. Increase engagement. Proper and authentic engagement is key to building up your Instagram. Social Boost understands this and has developed proven methodologies that will benefit organic engagement scores across the board. Social Boost also assures its customers that every methodology used is in compliance with Instagram's protocols, and will therefore not be in any danger of being flagged as suspicious activity. Security. With Social Boost, there is no need to worry about security and privacy breaches. They strictly abide by Instagram's terms of services and have safeguards and protocols in place that protect Instagram profiles effectively. Professional account management. Social Boost has a team of Instagram growth experts who are always updated with the latest Instagram changes to ensure that their managed accounts consistently and effectively keep growing organically. Marketing is done by hand by real, rigorously selected and trained professionals using real devices to attract real followers that will engage with content organically. An in-house data scientist tracks and optimizes targeting to improve results, and personally prepared reports are delivered monthly to customers for analysis. Customer support. Lastly, 24/7 live chat support is available to address customer queries and concerns swiftly to ensure that every concern is addressed in the shortest possible time. Pros and cons of Social Boost. With Social Boost, you are given a guarantee of growth across all pricing plans. Regardless of what price package you avail for your Instagram profile, Social Boost promises a minimum growth guarantee for each one. Additionally, their growth calculator will give you instant feedback on which areas of your Instagram profile needs addressing. Social Boost does not have a free trial, however, which would be extremely helpful in allowing potential customers to get a feel of the services offered without having to commit to purchasing a plan. Social Boost pricing. Social Boost currently offers 3 plans with monthly or yearly billing options. The basic plan is priced at $59 per month or $590 per year, with 2 months free for the annual plan. Social Boost recommends this for personal accounts, influencers, and business owners looking for organic growth. Features include 100% organic growth, 24/7 live chat support, and the option to cancel the subscription at any time. The premium plan is offered at $99 per month or $990 per year, again with 2 months free for the annual plan. In addition to all the features offered under the basic plan, it also includes faster follower growth, weekly optimization reviews, and location and gender-based targeting. It also comes with a monthly performance review and personal account management. The turbocharged plan, offered at $249 per month or $2,490 per year, has the same features as the premium plan with an even faster growth rate and a dedicated account manager who will personally and directly work with the customer to grow and manage their Instagram account. It is essentially the white glove service influencers and business owners who are serious about achieving significant growth as quickly as possible.